In this lecture, we'll study reciprocity theorem. Let's see the statement. In a linear, bilateral, single source network, if a voltage at any point in the network produces a current in some other point in the network, then the same voltage at other point produces the same current at the first point. That is, if the positions of the voltage and currents are interchanged, then their ratio remains same. Let's try to understand this theorem. That is, suppose say this is passive network, say this is point A and this is A dash. If between A and A dash, if we apply a voltage V in the same network at other point, say at B dash, if we find the current I, then in the same network that is this is B dash, same network, this is A dash. Now I will interchange voltage and current. That is, here I will connect a voltage source of same magnitude V. If you find the current flows through A dash, it will be same as this I. That is, if we consider current through B dash is I1, if we consider current through A dash it is I2, then the ratio of voltage and current, that is V by I1, is equal to V by I2. It means that I1 is equal to I2. This is the reciprocity theorem. Let us prove this. Proof. Now consider a circuit. Let voltage applied here is 50 volt. Say this is 2 ohm, this is 4 ohm, and this is 6 ohm. Now let's find current I, which is current flows through 6 ohm resistor. Assume that voltage is applied at terminal A dash and we are finding current at B dash. We'll solve it using loop analysis. Let current through this loop is X and current through this loop is Y. Now applying KVL to loop X, I can write 50 is equal to 2X plus voltage across 4 ohm resistor is 4 into X minus Y, that is 50 is equal to 6X minus 4Y. We'll call it as equation 1. Similarly, we'll apply KVL to loop Y. I can write 0 is equal to voltage across 6 ohm resistor is 6Y plus voltage across 4 ohm resistor is 4 of Y minus X. Simplifying this, 0 is equal to minus 4X plus 10Y. We'll call it as equation 2. Solving equation 1 and 2, we get X is equal to 11.36 amps and Y is equal to 4.545 amp. So therefore here we can see that Y is nothing but I. So I is equal to Y, which is equal to 4.545 amps. Now we'll interchange voltage and current. Now I will draw the same circuit. So this is my B dash branch. Here I supposed to connect the voltage source in series with resistor with same polarity, plus minus. This is 50 volt. and we supposed to find the current in A dash, that is we supposed to short this because there was a voltage source that we have replaced, so it should be made 0. Now we supposed to find the current, say I2. The value of this resistor is same, that is 2 ohm, this is 4 ohm, and here it is 6 ohm. Now we'll assume that current in this loop is X and current in this loop is Y. Applying KVL to loop X, I can write 50 is equal to 6x plus 4x minus y, that is 50 is equal to 10x minus 4y. We'll call it as equation 1. Now apply KVL to loop y. I can write 0 is equal to 2y plus 4 y minus x. Simplifying this, 0 is equal to minus 4x plus 6y. We'll call it as equation 2. Now solving 1 and 2, we get x is equal to 6.818 amp and y is equal to 4.545 amp. So therefore here I2 is nothing but y, which is 4.545. So from these two equations, I is equal to I2. So therefore reciprocity theorem is proved. Thank you for watching.